So, how many of you learn daily? It is a mandatory, or you can say necessary part of your life to learn. Continuous learning is a part to success. If you are not learning, it means you are going backwards. You are losing the game of this life. See, many people think that in the schooling and in the college they have learned everything. Now there's nothing to learn. Such a pity on those persons. How do you think this will help them? Why are they still struggling? Because they are not growing themselves, they are not learning. And I am studying a lot of books and a lot of people as well. And Brian Tracy, who is a best-selling author, in his book $1 Million Habits, suggested 3 things that you have to do for a continuous learning. And if you follow these things, then there is a tremendous increase in the improvement of your life, in yourself, in your personal development, in your learning as well. So we will start one by one. The first one, reading a book. Now, some of you think, which book should I read? So he suggested, if you are in a sales, then read at least sales book, and at least for 30 to 60 minutes daily. If you're in IT field, read IT fields. Be an expert on that field. Read all the books that you see in this field. And within a year, if you read around one book per week, so around 50 to 52 books in a year, which is equivalent to a PhD in your field. See the power of reading. If you want to improve your life as a doctor, as a lawyer, do study the books in that field and make it a habit of reading it daily for 30 to 60 minutes, and you will see a tremendous increase of knowledge. So at the end of 1 year or 2 years, the person whom you meet with yourself is a different person altogether. Nobody can beat you because you are master of your field right now. The second thing is, attend the seminars, the programs of the expert authorities. A lot of people say, what is the benefit of those? I am doing my job, I am doing my work, it is an unnecessary part. No, they have gained a lot of knowledge from their experience, and it is up to you to get that experience in you. It is not others' responsibility to increase your knowledge. It is not boss, it is not employer's responsibility to take you to the seminars and do the things. No, it is your responsibility to improve yourself. Go to the seminars, attend seminars, see all the things going on. Improve yourself. It is your responsibility from your endpoint to see which seminars should I attend, whom I should meet, and you will see a lot of difference in yourself, because there are a lot of experts in your field. It's a lot of people, authorities out there from whom you can learn and you gain your knowledge in your field. And the third thing is, use your free time. That is, whenever you are going, walking, driving, use the audiobooks. Yes, audiobooks, one of the greatest inventions of this till the press is released. So after press and when audiobooks are released, there is a tremendous increase in the knowledge of the people as well. For those who learn from them, who listen them daily. See, a lot of people spend a lot of time, maybe 1 or 2 hours, going their office and coming back to their home. At that time, you can listen to the books and see in the subconsciously you listen a lot of things, and when you learn from them, there's a tremendous increase energy as well. Most people say we don't have time to read the books. So what? It is just an excuse. You might be traveling somewhere. Don't listen to the songs. Simply listen to the books. Audiobooks is one of the best thing from where you can learn. So hopefully you have understood that it is your responsibility to learn the things. It is your responsibility to improve yourself, and nobody else will care about it. So in the end, I will conclude with the 3 points again. First thing, you have to learn and read books every day for 30 to 60 minutes. Second, attend seminars at least twice a year or virtual seminars, so that increase your learning as well. And the third point is, whenever you go outside, instead of listening to songs, listen to the audiobooks. So hopefully friends, you get a lot of things from this video.